Monday morning, Stephanie's getting ready. I'm making the most important beverage of the day, iced tea. That was 100% false. Come on, I'm making coffee. Look at this amazing coffee. It's white on the top. This one looks normal. Regardless, coffee's done. Lunch is packed. Time to go. This looks out of focus. It is so incredibly rainy out. I can't believe this. I mean, it's been rainy this year, but it's the first time that there's been like puddles in our backyard. I guess it's kind of a way different contrast from the summer where there was like patches of earth on the front yard peeling up. Rainy day. Days like this were exactly the kind of days I liked growing up, especially in elementary school, especially on Mondays too. I think it has something to do with it being really kind of dark and still out, not many people out. It's a good way to kind of welcome yourself into a new week. It's calming, meditative. Yeah, it's rainy out. This is why you have things like Land Rovers. Back home now. Some stuff I'm gonna do here now. I'm just hanging out with the little guy in the backyard. Hey bud. Next one, go inside. Come on. Okay, I'm in my rarely seen bedroom. I have a little while before Stephanie's done at work, so I'm gonna get some writing done. That's the area I write at, and I'm going to write. But before I do that, I want to show you guys something. Okay, this here is a super rare and amazing Walkman I got the other day at Goodwill. It was like $5, and I checked on eBay, and these things are worth like $300. So I have it all torn apart here. I can show you a little bit of it, but I have a new belt coming for it tomorrow. That'll probably feature me fixing this, but I have it all secure, all the parts in here, and I'm going to fix it and have a super awesome Walkman. This is a ridiculous shot. I don't know why I set this up, but I thought it was cool. It's like attached to the bed. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to get some writing done and focus on that for the rest of the day. So hopefully all the cool shots today were something fun for you guys to look at. And I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday.